Problem 9. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 cm and the distance of Q from the center is 25 cm. The radius of the circle is option A 7 cm, option B 12 cm, option C 15 cm, option D 24.5 cm. Let us draw figure for this problem. Here the length of the tangent QA is equal to 24 cm. Distance of external point Q from center is 25 cm. The radius OA has to be calculated. We know that the radius drawn at point of contact is perpendicular to tangent. So angle OAQ is equal to 90 degree. That is, in triangle AQO, angle OAQ equal to 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem, QO square equal to AQ square plus OA square. Substitute the values. That is 25 square equal to 24 square plus OA square. That is 576 plus OA square equal to 625. Here 24 square is 576 and 25 square is equal to 625. Therefore, OA square equal to 625 minus 576. Therefore, OA square equal to 49. That implies OA equal to root of 49. Measure of OA is equal to 7 cm because square root of 49 is equal to 7 cm. So option A is correct answer. Problem 10. In figure, if TP and TQ are the two tangents to a circle with center O, so that angle POQ equal to 110 degree, then angle PTQ is equal to option A 60 degree, option B 70 degree, option C 80 degree, option D 90 degree. Here angle P equal to 90 degree, angle Q is also equal to 90 degree. We are given that angle O equal to 110 degree. Observe here, measure of angle P equal to 90 degree. Also measure of angle Q is 90 degree and sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Sum of angle T and angle O should be equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 110 degree plus angle T equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle T equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. Therefore, angle T is equal to 70 degree. So, option B is correct answer. Problem 11. If tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at an angle of 80 degree, then angle POA is equal to option A 50 degree, option B 60 degree, option C 70 degree, option D 80 degree. Draw figure first. Here PA and PB are tangents to the circle and angle APB is equal to 80 degree. You can answer this question just by intellectual calculation. Observe here, angle A equal to 90 degree, also angle B equal to 90 degree. So sum of angle P and angle O is equal to 180 degree. Here measure of angle P equal to 80 degree, then angle AOB should be equal to 100 degree. In triangles APO and BPO, angle A equal to angle B equal to 90 degree, OP equal to OP, and radii OA and OB are equal to each other. Therefore, triangle APO congruent to triangle BPO. So, angle AOP is equal to angle BOP, and sum of these two angles is equal to 100 degree. Therefore, measure of angle AOP is equal to 50 degree. So, option A is correct answer. Now, I will answer this question in detail, but you need not to answer like this in examination. Here, angle A equal to 90 degree, angle B equal to 90 degree, angle APB equal to 80 degree. What is measure of angle POA? We know that angle APB plus angle AOB equal to 180 degree. Therefore, 80 degree plus angle AOB is equal to 180 degree. That implies angle AOB is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. That is angle AOB equal to 100 degree. Here, angle AOP plus angle BOP equal to 100 degree. Call this as equation number 1. But angle AOP equal to angle BOP. Call this as 2. From 1 and 2, angle AOP plus angle AOP equal to 100 degree. That implies 2 times angle AOP is equal to 100 degree. Therefore, angle AOP equal to 100 degree by 2. That is, angle AOP is equal to 50 degree. Problem 12. In figure, KM and KL are tangents. If angle MOL equal to 120 degree, then the measure of angle MKO is equal to question mark. Option A 35 degree, option B 80 degree, option C 90 degree, option D 30 degree. I will give you this problem for homework.